every life saved, every disease understood, every breakthrough treatment that changes what medicine can do. Behind each of these moments is an industry driven by one singular purpose: human well being. Welcome to Healthcare and Life Sciences, the sector where data, discovery, and compassion come together to transform how the world heals. This expansive sector spans hospitals and healthcare networks, pharmaceutical giants, medical device innovators, research institutions, and health technology companies, all united in the mission of advancing human health. From delivering frontline patient care and developing life-saving treatments to managing complex public health systems and pioneering precision medicine, the scope of impact is profound. And with digital health technologies reshaping every dimension of care, this industry is evolving faster than at any point in history. In healthcare and life sciences, a single data-driven insight can be the difference between a timely diagnosis and a missed one. By analyzing patient histories, treatment outcomes, and clinical data, providers can predict disease risks before symptoms appear and personalize care for each individual. Population health analytics guides public health responses. Hospital operations analytics cuts wait times and allocates resources where they matter most. And in research, data platforms are compressing years of clinical analysis into actionable findings, accelerating the pace of medical breakthroughs. Artificial intelligence is redefining diagnostic precision, detecting anomalies in medical images that are invisible to the human eye. Wearable devices generate continuous streams of patient health data, enabling proactive rather than reactive care. Genomics platforms are unlocking the blueprint of disease at a molecular level. Precision medicine is moving healthcare from one-size-fits-all to a truly individualized treatment. And digital health infrastructure is connecting patients, providers, and researchers in ways that were unimaginable just a decade ago. The future of healthcare and life sciences belongs to those who can harness data to heal, protect, and innovate. Healthcare data analyst, clinical informatics specialist, pharmaceutical analytics consultant, population health manager, health technology intelligence analyst. These are careers measured not just in professional growth, but in genuine human impact. If you want your work to matter in the most meaningful way possible, this is your calling. Begin that journey with Analytics Learners. Learn analytics. Launch your career.